Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to add multiple ads to a YouTube video 2024. So first is you have to open your YouTube account and go to your YouTube studio or channel, and then right here just have to go to the content and make sure to select an 8 minutes and above video so you can add multiple ads. Okay, so let me just find some of the videos that we have created that is 8 minutes and above. So for example, this ones, you just have to select it. And then at the left side, just have to click on the monetization section. And then right here, just have to make sure to turn on this monetization. So just clicked on it and then clicked on on. Now just clicked on next. And then right here, you just have to read all of these details. And if you're not violating any of this, you just have to click on none of the above and then just click on submit. So right here, you just have to click on the review placement option. So just click on it. Now you just have to click on this add break button so you can add multiple ads. So you just have to click on it multiple times and specify the time if when will be that ads will appear on your 8 minutes and above video. So for example, I am going to add 4 ads for this long video. So you can specify the time by typing out right here the minutes. You can also add seconds. Okay, so for the first ad, I wanted to appear the first 1 minute of the video, and for the second ad I wanted to appear after 2 minutes and 30 seconds, and for the third ads I want to appear the third ads after 4 minutes. So you just have to type out 4, and for the last ads I want it to appear at the last minute of the video. So as you can see, you can also drag this ads icon if you want to make an adjustment, and the time of it will follow. And now you just have to click on continue and then save your changes. And after that, when you saved it, your video, your long 8-minute video will have a multiple ads on YouTube. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.